Who's there? Who?
Welcome to tutorial week day 4, how to make a snowman bunny. So what you do is you get a toy. I got Pikachu here, and you open him up. And then you take out the snow. Try to get it all. You wanna make the biggest snow bunny you can make possible. Oh, there's a present in here. You got marbles, small marbles. Look at that. Wow, I'm so surprised. What can I do with this? So beautiful. Once you get all of the snow out of your Pikachu or your toy, you don't have to use a Pikachu. You can use whatever you have. You put it all together. And then you need to give it a nose. Oops. Needs to go on top. Make sure the carrot nose goes on top. And then you need to give it a face, because snowman bunnies always have faces. They need to be able to see. And I'm just going to use sauce because it's easy. I like things to be easy. And there. And that's how you make a snowman bunny.